welcome back to my channel. I'm Dorcas, and on this particular episode, as you have read from the title, I'm going to be shaving my face. A lot of people don't actually shave their faces because they think it makes their hair grow, but I actually did read on a lot of these subjects, and apparently the hair growth on your face is not actually related to you shaving your face. I'm not a very hairy person, but when you put on makeup, you kind of notice the little fuzzes around here, somewhere over here, like you can see over here. I actually want to shave those things out. I do this once a month, so I don't actually shave my face all the time. I was actually going to be speaking in the video and do a voiceover, but I thought that would be a little bit distracting, so I decided that I was actually just gonna let you see how I do it, and then you don't have to get distracted by my voice. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, because it at least helps me know what a lot of people want to see me doing. And for the old ones, thank you for coming back and thank you for supporting me. Let's get into this video then.